Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best 3D printers available on the market for prototyping. The output from this printer will be crucial in determining the concept and design of your prototype, so it's important to consider all aspects of the printer when making a decision. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we have done the research and rounded up the top 5 3D printers for prototyping, and narrowed down the list to what are the best options available. That printer is used in any condition or market to get the best prototype quickly and accurately. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is our QIDI Technology XCF Pro 3D printers. Introducing the revolutionary QIDI Technology XCF Pro 3D printer, the ultimate tool for your prototyping needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, this printer is designed to deliver the best results when printing with carbon fiber and high-temperature nylon filaments. The XCF Pro is designed to efficiently tackle the most rigid materials, featuring a state-of-the-art single extruder system. Equipped with high-temperature alloy material and dual-gear extrusion, printing with carbon fiber has never been more accurate or had a longer service life. With its high-speed extruder, you can effortlessly print other standard filaments like PLA, ABS, and PETG. The XCF Pro's precision manufacturing process is truly unmatched. Industrial-grade dual Z-axis and industrial guide allow for high precision and fast printing. Its upgraded XYZ structure, using industrial slides and a PEI printing plate, ensures consistently perfect prints every time. But its new automatic intelligent leveling mode sets the XCF Pro apart. With up to 20 points of calculation, this printer takes the guesswork out of leveling and allows you to focus on your designs. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.